If you're experiencing billing issues with your Amazon Prime accounts, follow these steps to resolve them efficiently. This guide will help you navigate the process of identifying and fixing common billing problems. Step 1. Check your payment method. Log into your Amazon account and go to the Your Account section. Under Payment Options, verify that your credit card or payment method is valid and up to date. Ensure there are no issues such as expired cards or insufficient funds. Step 2. Review your subscription status. In the Your Account section, click on Prime Membership. Check your membership status to confirm that it is active. If your membership has expired or is set to renew soon, you may need to update your payment information. Step 3. Look for billing notifications. Check your email for any notifications from Amazon regarding billing issues. These emails may provide specific details about the problem, such as failed payments or account holds. Address any issues mentioned in these notifications. Step 4. Contact customer service. If you cannot resolve the issue on your own, reach out to Amazon customer service. You can do this through the help section on the website or app. Explain your billing problem clearly and provide any necessary information to assist them in resolving the issue. Step 5. Monitor your account. After resolving the issue, keep an eye on your account for any further billing discrepancies. Regularly check your payment methods and subscription status to ensure everything remains in good standing. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing problems with your Amazon Prime account effectively. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Amazon support team.